Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to message someone on Tinder. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to start a great conversation and make the most of your matches. So let's get started. Open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see this chat bubble icon and this will take you to your messages and matches. And here you will see all the people you have matched with. And if you have not matched with anyone yet, you would not be able to send any messages. So to start a conversation, tap on the profile picture or the name of the match you will find here in the message section. And once you have opened the chat with your match, you can start typing your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Simply type your message and hit the send button. And when you send a message, try to be creative or ask an engaging question that reflects your interest in their profile. This increases your chances of getting a reply. And after sending your message, all you have to do is wait for them to reply. If they respond, the conversation will continue in the same chat window. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.